stakeholders this afternoon set to hold a meeting on the banning of a stockpile of ivory that will be taking place on the 30th of the year. KTN's Mark Namaswa is at the African Wildlife Foundation in Karen and now joins us live on phone. Mark, good afternoon. If you can hear me, what exactly should we expect from these talks this afternoon? Mark Namaswa, please tell us, what should we expect from the talks this afternoon ahead of the banning of that stockpile on the 30th of April?
Today is basically a day in which stakeholders in the wildlife conservation and the tourism sectors are officially launching the Light a Fire campaign, which is an online strategy that is meant to raise awareness concerning the preservation of species of animals such as elephants and rhinos around the world.
And Mark, we also have a giant club summit that has several dignitaries and celebrities attending before moving on to the banning of the ivory, and that summit will be taking place on the 29th. Just tell us a bit about that, and who are some of the celebrities and dignitaries that will be attending?
Okay, Michelle, let me first begin with the Giants Club Summit. It's basically an organization in which opinion makers around the world come together for the purpose of ensuring conservation of wildlife and other endangered species. And we have around 8 presidents, although their identities have not yet been made public, but they'll be part of the Giants Club Summit in Nanyuki. That will be on 29th April. And then on 30th April, they will head back to the Nairobi National Park so that they can witness the banning of the 106 tons of ivory and rhino horns. But some of the celebrities that we have lined up include actors Leonardo DiCaprio, former Chinese basketballer Yao Ming, global business leader Michael Bloomberg and George Soros. We also have Elton John, the musician, and Nicole Kidman, the actress.
All right, and Mark, finally, what are some of the preparations ahead of this banning of the stockpile?
One of the biggest preparations that is being undertaken at the moment is raising global awareness concerning the need to conserve wildlife, especially the rhinos and elephants, which are poached at a rate of 100 elephants a day worldwide, and 4 rhinos a day are killed worldwide. So one of the biggest preparations starts online, like right now, like in the next few minutes, and that will be the hashtag Light a Fire, and we also have Tweet for Elephants. So raising global awareness concerning the extinction or the impending extinction of species of rhinos and elephants is one of the biggest strategies that we are looking forward to kickstarting the next few minutes.
All right, thank you very much. Our reporter Mark Namaswa there joining us from the Africa Wildlife Foundation.